from money. And if what I know of being saying mostly like actually I thought of professional contract type for long chain I take care of one town you was even short professional contract type 9 in which is my shooting I was watching the EPSL level and in which is I guess it's cool and I take most of promoted local.
I think hope it is cool a lot.
Lots of around too.
That's cool. Which I wanna to be quite honest, I mean. Like riding a bit on I get depression, what to be honest, just I was not even aware already. I'm broken. I want Skukuni rated 26 games out of 30. And the team total promotion. I total promotion and all along during the season, we were about when we play the PSA, the NFT because NFT is price. I'm a very slow player. Very slow, I'm calm. And the PSA, me born now with me space. Miss Spain, because I share that. Mama, you told her chance. So, what was it after? I'm fit. 26 games, but fit. 26 games, 26 games out of 30. And born with me, I shouldn't feel again. Mustn't feel PSA. Nankaba. I want to see the ball and heads as you are. La English Mazilla. Magalaki looting at your hand and my Pumanekas, Cape Town, Mother Cape Town stars.